In this video, we're going to take a look at how to capitalize text in Integromat and Zapier. So let's get into it. For our example in Zapier, we'll just go directly to that formatter step. So we need to create a format step, and the action event that we want is text-based. So let's continue. Well, here we go. First option, capitalize. And now we'll provide a random string of characters, some capitalized, some not capitalized. Great. And now let's test this out, and we should see that the first letter, and this is very frustrating, Zapier, that they require that we add a trigger step. So we'll just add the quickest trigger step possible. This doesn't really matter. This is just to allow us to test out. All right, here we go. So test and review. Let's see. This should capitalize the S, and everything else should be lowercase. Great. So this is how we do it in Zapier. Now in Integromat, it's a little bit different. We don't actually need to add a step in order, and we'll do a Gmail step just so we can take a look. We're going to send an email. We're going to add it to email. The subject will be test. And the content that we want will be our capitalized word. So in Integromat, we have a list of all these interesting functions. Now the function that we want is capitalize. Start case is very similar, but it will capitalize effectively any word regardless of the number of words, whereas capitalize will just pick the first word and capitalize that, which is what we want, right? We're going to capitalize, and we're going to say hello. Oh, no, that's not what we want. All right, hello, and maybe we'll add the person's name in. And the way that it's passed through, we don't know if it's capitalized or not. We'll say, it's just John. John is his name. Great. And it's all, it's not capitalized. We need it to be capitalized, but we don't know what format it's coming in. Great. So we can just say, hello, John. And I believe in Integromat, this is an HTML body. So we're going to add a break here. This will just go to the next line, effectively equivalent of hitting enter like that. Say, this is a test. Cool. We'll do this again. And bye. Nice. And we can actually test out this start case as well and say, and we'll actually add all this text into here, and we can move this variable over here. So this is a test, should be capitalized. Each word in it should be capitalized. So let's take a look at this. Our John should be capitalized, and every word in here should be capitalized. Let us test this out. Run module, 3, 2, 1, and voila, here we go. So let's take a look at the email that it sent. Great, so we have hello John, so it capitalized John. It indented right from the break, and then this is a test, is all capitalized, or it's the start case. So this is how we can capitalize in both Integromat and Zapier. Cool.